Yeah guys, just wanted to give you a quick update here regarding this horsehair door sweep brush here, which I had in the south using for a whole year to show you how it's holding up, especially compared to plastic one which I've been using before, which didn't hold up very long. Here you can see the result after 1 year. It's still working. That's the good thing here. But when we look at the detail, you can see the bristles are not straight anymore. I don't know how this has happened. I haven't done anything, of course, no maintenance, no nothing, but I wouldn't be so worried if the bristles would still hold here nicely inside, if they would be just a little bit more fluffy. But you can see all the hair here on the floor. When I just move through the bristles here, the hair starts coming off. So I don't expect to last them much longer, maybe half a year or maximum 1 year. But after that, it looks like I will have to replace it. Pretty much same thing as when I was using the artificial brushes. So probably still the best solution is to use normal plastic, which you just cut down and then have it more or less straight. Of course, also not perfect, but it will definitely last longer. Yeah, just try this here for you, so you don't have to try this out. But I would say just a limited recommendation, especially here in the south with very high heat, super strong sun, high humidity. Probably not the perfect choice here. So that's what I wanted to let you know. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with using such natural horse hair as a door sweep brush, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.